You're only begging. You're begging for trouble, mister. Why don't you be sensible? Take it up with the department.
I've been doing that for 60 days, and I got an airplane to catch in 60 minutes.
Look, hey, maybe we can figure this thing out if you ride with me down to the impound lot, huh? Will you just unlock the car?
You want to tow the car to the impound lot? You unlock it.
No, wait. Hey, mister, wait.
Yeah,
Hey, don't,
okay.
come on.
Wait, wait.
Hey, don't do that. Come on.
What are you doing?
Burning my car.
Burning the car.
It's my car. There's the papers to prove it. See, it's on my property, and I am burning.
Well, that's crazy.
You want to know crazy? I bought it for cash from a guy back east. I can't get it registered because I don't have the pink slip. I got a permit that's expired, and they won't renew. I gotta catch a plane, the car won't start, and he's here to impound it because the department won't let me register it because the guy won't send me the pink slip. Now, you tell me what's crazy.
Burning your car is crazy.
Yeah, well, it's worthless now. I tell you what. I'm gonna give you $50 for it. You know, for junk.
Hey, hold it. It's worth more than 50. I'll give you 55.
60.
62.
So here's 65.
How much you got?
I'll tell you what, I'm gonna make it an even 100.
Cash now?
Give me 15 minutes. I'll be right back.
No, cash now.
I only got $70 on me.
70 once, 70 twice.
83.
So, I'll go get my book. What am I gonna cite him for?
Burning my car without a permit.